You love everything home and interior design. Now SOCO, Southern California's destination for interior design inspiration, is bringing you another binge-worthy series. We'll talk to the true masters of design to give you the tips and resources you need to master your own domain. I'm Carrie Freitas, and this is SOCO's Masters of Design. Welcome to another episode of SOCO's Masters of Design. Today we're talking about furnishings and accessories as art in your home. Unique and different pieces that you can collect and become statement pieces in your home that people will talk about and that you'll enjoy for generations. There's no better place to start this episode of life as art, if you will, than at Roche Bobois at SOCO. And specifically, when you're here, you'll notice that every furnishing, every piece of seating is really a work of art. And the lift bar is no exception. As you'll see, I've got someone off camera lifting it for us remotely. And this is a stunning piece of lacquer design. The blue is really rich and wonderful. Talk about form and function. You saw it originally as a buffet and a credenza. As we press the button, it becomes a bar. Truly a statement piece and a work of art in your home. Let's go to some other pieces at Roche Bobois that you can collect and enjoy. One of Roche Bobois' most iconic pieces is the Mahjong sofa. It happens to be one of our favorites here at SOCO. As you'll see here, it's modular. Talk about the ultimate in customization. The fabrication is amazing, customizable. This is the Missoni version. They've collaborated with several different designers. So there's a Kenzo version or versions, as well as a Jean-Paul Gaultier version. You may have seen it at the 2021 Oscars in the VIP room. They're well known all throughout the world, and the Mahjong is something that a lot of people have been coveting and wanting in their home. We think it's a beautiful piece of art that functions well for obviously any size group. Going with the Mahjong here is this amazing rocket table. There are a couple of different options for cocktail tables. The iridescence and the modern organic design pairs perfectly with the Mahjong table to create an artistic statement in your home. We're at Design Within Reach at SOCO, and we are loving the Wilkes seating collection. Every piece here at Design Within Reach is truly a livable, usable work of art, and this is no exception. Originally designed by Ray Wilkes in 1976, the pieces are now back in production in new colors and fabrics. We love the postmodern curvilinear aspect of this sofa, and we love, love, love this armchair that's a companion piece in this really bright cobalt. Definitely a statement maker in any room for your home. One of the most iconic pieces that we love at Design Within Reach is the Eames armchair and ottoman. You've probably seen it before in films and movies and know that you like it, but didn't really know why it was famous. Charles and Ray Eames designed this particular chair for Herman Miller back in 1956, and it's made of molded plywood and leather. And one of the original versions of this chair is in the Museum of Modern Art in New York. So you know you're buying a piece of art when you buy an Eames armchair at Design Within Reach. We're here at Lightopia at SOCO, and when it comes to lighting, this is a must stop on your tour of the showrooms at SOCO. And when we're talking about art, lighting and lighting fixtures can become the jewelry of your home, if you will, as far as layering and creating interest and a special kind of something for each room. We're looking at the Glacier Island Wave Pendant at Lightopia, crafted of crystals for maximum shine and refraction and maximum statement power in your dining room or elsewhere in your home. We also love the Tom Dixon pieces at Lightopia. He is British and known for his innovative use of materials. Check out this amazing pendant or chandelier. You could use it in either way. This hand-blown glass piece. And then look at his sconces. Talk about making a statement in any room, and we love the fact that you could use these as a grouping, not just as one, but think 2, 3, or even a maximum impact wall like this one at Lightopia. So again, when it comes to lighting as art for your home, think Lightopia at SOCO. We are at Ligne Roset at SOCO, our last stop on our artistic tour of unique and individualized furnishings that become works of art in your home. And certainly the iconic Togo sofa and lounge qualifies. You'll notice the artistic ergonomic design that really creates a statement in any room. And that's because Ligne Roset is known for collaborating with both up-and-coming and established designers to create the most modern, luxurious looks for your home that, again, become works of art that you'll have for generations. We can't leave Ligne Roset without talking about the pumpkin chair by Pierre Paulin. The design comes from a first edition that was actually in former French President Georges Pompidou's Élysée Palace. Its organic shape, firm seating, and compact size make it really versatile to become a work of art in any room of your home. Thank you for joining us for today's episode of Masters of Design at SOCO. We've enjoyed touring you through our showrooms to show you unique and individual pieces that are functional works of art for your home. We hope you enjoy the fine art of living, and we'll see you at SOCO.